So the big thing that's going to be different for you about TK interface is that it constitutes a completely different approach to programming. So far, what we've been doing is a lot of the computer asks you for input, you do something, then the computer does something with your input, then it asks you for different input, so on. It kind of does something and then waits, does something and then waits. And as you go through your program, you're dealing with step-by-step code. Even if it branches or loops or whatever, it's still step-by-step. With TK interface, we shift from what's called procedural programming, which is what we've been doing, to what's called event-driven programming. And in event-driven programming in Python, what happens is the program is constantly looping. It's sort of like a car idling at a red light. The car is running, but it's not going anywhere. It's waiting for you to push on the gas or whatever. The program is just idling there, waiting for you. And when you click on a button or type something or choose something from a menu, then the program responds in whatever way you've told it to. So that's the difference. Event-driven programming is where the program waits and responds to things that you do. And the nice thing or the interesting thing about event-driven programming is that you don't have to do things in a certain order, right? With the ATM, with the ATM project that we've been working on over and over the semester, you got this menu and it says choose a menu thing. What do you want to deposit or do you want to withdraw? You choose deposit, then you choose an account, then you type the name of the account. It's always the same order of things. You have to use it in that order. But when I show you a window that has buttons and menus and things, you can click on a button or you can type something or you can do it whatever order you want. Just like with Microsoft Word, when you type something in Microsoft Word, it doesn't say first type something, then click this button. No, you can do things in whatever order you want. It's event driven. So it's waiting for you to decide what order to do things in. So there's some things about that that are a little bit tricky, but some of them are not any more tricky. It's just a different way of thinking about it.